Probe launch after cop fatally shot spouse ex-lover. Gunmen open fire on vehicle with British national in St. Mary. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The Dehaney Park police are probing the fatal shooting of a man at a house occupied by his ex-girlfriend and her common-law spouse, who is a policeman. The deceased has been identified as 29-year-old Stephen Powell, a taxi operator. It is reported that Powell was shot repeatedly after he allegedly gained entrance to the house through a window and proceeded to attack his ex-girlfriend with a ratchet knife. It is understood that the policeman discharged 9 rounds in the direction of Powell, who was hit multiple times. A report was made to the police, and on arrival of the lawmen, Powell was found lying in a pool of blood in the bathroom. It is also understood that the Independent Commission of Investigations has been notified. The sh0t police has launched a search for suspects who opened fire on a motor vehicle occupied by a British national and other passengers in St. Mary on Monday. The Jamaican-born Briton and her friend escaped injury. It is reported that about 1 a.m., the woman and her friends were driving along the Tree Hill Main Road in Retreat, St. Mary, when 2 men traveling on a motorcycle overtook them and pretended to be in an accident ahead. The complainant slowed to make inquiries, and one of the motorcyclists pulled a firearm. The woman sped off, and gunmen fired shots damaging the vehicle. They were able to elude the armed robbers.